Live on the YouTube. Live on the YouTube. All right. Looks like we are live. Let's see here. Close this. Mic check, mic check. Live on the YouTube. All right. Okay, so I'm going to mute this. Live. Let's see here. We're not talking over ourselves. We're going to put this in the chat so that you guys have it in case. And yeah, so let's go share screens. I think you should be able to see it both ways. Oh yeah, well, if you're in the room, you're fine. So what's going on, boys and girls there on YouTube? Hey, what's going on? So I know I haven't really done a live video like this on YouTube in quite a while. So hey, how's it going? Hopefully you guys are doing mighty fine, and this new year has been treating you well. We are doing something this year, something that I did back in 2010 to kind of dominate Google. So we're calling this one Global Domination with a new company that, well, the company is not new, but I'm new to a company called Nowsite. And what's recently happened is that it's Nowsite 2.0, and we released Chat GPT with AI. So what I've done is I've created a team template to kind of bring some duplication out for my teammates and see what we can do to dominate Google and Nowsite all over the world. So we're starting out with United States and Canada. And what I want to do is just kind of show everybody. This is the template that I created. So I will be promoting this out and about in different resources. There's my logo, my social media, and each one of you guys that decides to use this template, it will be completely tailored to yourself. You just have to make the necessary adjustments. So you want to put your own logo in there. You want to put your own social media in there, right? It says at the top, want to find new customers, don't know where to start. There's a nice little video from the company. It works really well, explaining how we can help people. Right here on the right, unlimited market tools, expert services, access to 2 billion targeted prospects under 100. When they fill out this information, they will literally go to my affiliate link. So this is not the affiliate link itself. Obviously, it's a funnel slash template slash directory that I built for the whole team. So I did all this so you don't have to. All you got to do is just plug in, baby. Okay. Shows a little bit about how it works. Talk about unlimited marketing tools, unlimited marketing services, unlimited targeted prospects. And then it goes into the about me. It just says, hey, this is me, Robert Blakely, aka the Blakester. Meet you Nowsite mentor, CEO of Black Rose Solutions. Tells a little ditty about myself. Now people can go and add me to contacts. They can try to call me, email me, text me, check me out on LinkedIn, Facebook, all that fun stuff. But the way that I have it set up is just claim your state. Click the link below to see if your state has been claimed. I'm contemplating putting 2 buttons in there, one for United States and one for Canada, but you can do that if you like. So if somebody clicks on let's search, and this is out in the open, right? Out in the wild, if you will. They click on that let's search, they'll have the ability to see same type of headlines so that they don't forget what we're doing here. Quick little reminder, the video's still there, how it works. And now they have these states. So if I'm from Texas, since I'm from Texas, I can go down here and I can look at Texas, click on Texas, take a look at that page real quick and find out whether or not it's been claimed. So the state of Texas has not been claimed. Woohoo! All right, cool, party bonus. See the video, it's a little bigger. We can watch that, make sure we still know and understand what's going on and why we're doing this. And this part changes just a little bit because they're behind the curtain. Want them to sign up for Nowsite Unlimited. It talks a little bit about it. First come, first serve. Submit their affiliate information, just like those of you that are on my team have. Right? First come, first serve, and then represent the state page. So one thing, if you're watching this on YouTube and you don't know much about me, I really get an enjoyment out of helping my people win. Not many people actually go out there and promote their people. I do. So this is the perfect opportunity, the way the compensation plan is involved, to be able to promote my people, lift them up, help them get people into their downline organization. They get paid, I get paid, everyone's happy, right? So this page hasn't been claimed. It gives them an idea, shows their picture, goes down here. Contact their information will go down here if they decide to claim the state. They claim the state, we'll hit get started, and that's going to go directly to my affiliate link for them to get signed up, get started, and get put onto that page. Okay. So it's a duplicating system that you guys will be able to use and use the same type of process. And if they're in Canada, I've also got the 10 provinces of Canada there as well. If a page is claimed and you go to that page and it's actually claimed, then the person will see the person's name who has claimed that particular page. In this case, in Canada, we've got Janet Legier here, got all of her information. So if that person wants to reach out to Janet, who's on my team, they can do so. If they want to get started, then all they do is they click there and it actually goes to Janet's website, not mine. Okay, not mine. I'm not promoting myself. I'm not stealing people's customers. That's not what I do. I literally and legitimately help my people. Okay. So you'll be able to have this same type of duplicatable system. And the other thing that you're able to do, what I like to say and tell, is I can also go and promote this by states, right? So I could come up with a description right here as an example. Global domination begins, talk a little bit about it, and I can say, okay, well, I'm looking for one person in each one of these states, right? Once I find that person in that state, that person will go up on that state, represent that state, and anybody that comes in through that state will come in after them. So it's a good way for you to give a person another reason for them to join you specifically, right? Because you're going to do what you can to help them. I can tell you, it's probably 99% of the network marketers that are out there do not do this. But now you have the ability to create this type of thing for yourself, brand it to yourself, and use it to your advantage. So here's how it works. It's real simple. When you go into your Nowsite area, you're going to go into the Teams section. Underneath the Teams section, you will find the website here shortly. I'm going to upload it here in a moment. In fact, let's see if we could do that now. Yesterday, it was giving me issues. Let's see if I could do this. Nowsite global copy. Global copy. Yep. Let's see if it's going to behave or not. So inside the team section there, inside of our back office and Nowsite, which is pretty cool that we can do that. Doesn't look like it's going to. Okay. So I have to figure out why it's giving me problems. So what's going to happen though is you're going to be able to come in here, go to the website, click on it, just like the onboarding website that we have here. You're going to click on download it. And once you've actually downloaded it, and we'll give this a few seconds. So you click on it like this, click on add to my websites. It will ask you to name it. You name it. Once you name it, then it's going to be right in here into your marketing section, into your websites. Okay. Now, what you need to do is edit it and create it to your specifications. There's not a lot that you're going to have to do, but I will want to cover what it is that you do want to do. So you'll have this, you'll open it up. First thing you want to do is replace this. Make sure that you got your current logo. You're going to want to make sure that you replace the social media to where it's your social media. You're going to want to make sure that this here form is clicked to your Nowsite affiliate link, which it should automatically do that for you. Okay. Next thing, the biggest thing that you want to do is you want to come down here. You want to put in your name. You want to put in your picture, put in your name, your title, little bio, add all this fun stuff, all of your social media right there on the side, right? And then if you notice on Claim Your State, this one is going to go to the United States, which is where I showed you that people pick their state, right? So you want to make sure that that first page is of the United States, and then you'll want to save it, okay? Next thing you're going to want to do after you save it, click on the home here, and then I want you to click on the very first state, which is going to be Alabama. You're going to come down here. You're going to make sure you have all your information here again. Now, on this part, you're going to want to make sure again that it says Nowsite affiliate link. And in fact, as I mentioned, the first page is going to have a different link on this first page. It's going to go to the directory. On this second page, on all of your state pages, you want to make sure that you have the Nowsite affiliate link so that they have a way to sign up underneath you. So once you have that set on your first page is what I'm getting at, you can now click on this area in the white here. You see how it highlights this entire area? Right up here, you can add to saved sections. So click add to saved sections. I'm going to name this so I know what it's called. State page contact info as an example. Okay, info. Can save it. It's been saved, added to my saved sections. Now I click OK. I'm going to go back to my pages, back to home. Now all I have to do is every one of these pages, I know it may seem like a little bit, but I make it easy for you. So all you got to do is just replace this one little portion. I did everything else for you. So there is a little bit of work, but not much. All you're going to do is you're going to go into each one of these pages, go into Alaska, go down to the bottom here, right? Going to make sure, okay. So I want to, okay, here. So if I'm looking for this section, because it will not have this section in there, I'm going to scroll down here to my lower left, go to my save sections. And here's the one that I wanted, right? State page contact info. I'm just going to take this and I'm going to drag it over into this section. And it's going to be there for me. Okay. So it's going to pop in there. Now, if you have to, you may notice that sometimes it pops up high. There are arrows to move it up or down. So all you have to do is just fix that. If you can't move it down anymore, scroll down, click on these sections here that are below it. Right? All you have to do is raise those up. Click here, raise this up. Right? So now it's in the bottom section where I need it. And I click save. Now I don't have to do click save on every single page. It will take some time for it to update. So what I do recommend that you do is come in here and just do like 5 to 10 pages at a time. After you come in, you put in your information on the bottom, make sure that they look fine. Obviously, this part is not going to be there. Just give you an idea. Okay. Double check it. You can click here on the mobile version. Make sure that it looks all right. Okay. And then click your save. And you're done. Okay. So then once you've done all that, you will now have your own marketing website and you will have yourself, all of your information on all 50 states and those 10 provinces for Canada to get started. Okay. As you add people to your organization, obviously put them up on high, put them up on a pedestal, go for the next state, go for the next state. Fill up those 50 states and those 10 provinces, help your people make money, and you will laugh all the way to the bank. So I hope you enjoyed this presentation. If you're interested in joining the team, I can tell you I am looking for a lot of people. Looking for people in Alabama is still open, Alaska, Arkansas, California. Colorado is taken. Connecticut is open. Delaware is open. Florida is open. Georgia is taken. Hawaii's open, Idaho's open, Illinois. I believe actually Illinois is taken. I'll have to double check. Indiana is taken. Iowa looks open. Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri. So we just got started. There are a lot of states still open, but there are some that are taken. Like Montana, New York is taken, North Carolina, Oklahoma is taken, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, Texas, yes, is taken, Washington, Wisconsin, and Alberta, Canada, and Canada. So make sure you respond as soon as possible as you can. Go down in the very bottom of the link description in this video, and you'll be able to click on the link to get started today. Join, reach out to me, give me your information, and let's get you up on and claim your state page for our new marketing system. That's all I got for now. We'll see you on the next video. Toot toot, love you. Bye-bye.